In a world where technology continues to redefine our boundaries, a groundbreaking leap has just been made. Meet the new Atlas AI robot, now fully autonomous. This isn't your typical pre-programmed demonstration. Instead of showing off parkour skills or agility, Atlas is tackling real-world factory tasks. Today, we explore how this remarkable innovation is reshaping our understanding of robotics and what it means for humanity's future. The Atlas robot, developed by Boston Dynamics, has long been a symbol of cutting-edge technology. With its state-of-the-art sensors and advanced algorithms, Atlas has captivated our imaginations. But the new development, its full autonomy, marks a significant turning point. No longer tethered to a remote control or a preset program, Atlas can now navigate complex environments, make real-time decisions, and execute tasks with astonishing precision. Equipped with advanced machine learning capabilities, Atlas learns from its environment, continually adapting to new challenges. This means it can interpret visual data, understand spatial relationships, and even recognize objects it has never seen before. For instance, in a recent demonstration, Atlas was tasked with unloading boxes from a delivery truck. Without any human intervention, the robot approached the truck, assessed the arrangement of boxes, and systematically removed each one, navigating around obstacles in real time. It adjusted its strategy as it encountered shifting loads, showcasing not only its physical agility but also its cognitive abilities. This is not merely programmed behavior, it's autonomous problem-solving in action. As we witness this transformation, we must ask ourselves, what does it mean for the future of work and play? Now, regarding the hardware, Atlas is equipped with advanced hydraulic actuators that enable fluid and agile movement, mimicking human motions. This allows for dynamic movements such as running, jumping, and performing backflips. The legs are designed for bipedal locomotion, featuring a sophisticated arrangement of joints and sensors that provide stability and balance on various terrains. Atlas uses lidar technology for real-time mapping and navigation. This sensor helps the robot understand its environment by measuring distances to nearby objects. A combination of stereo cameras provides depth perception and object recognition capabilities. These cameras help Atlas identify obstacles and navigate through complex environments. The robot is programmed with machine learning frameworks that enable it to adapt its behavior based on experience, making it capable of learning from its interactions with the environment. Atlas is powered by a high-density battery system that provides the energy necessary for extended operation. The battery life is optimized to support prolonged tasks while maintaining mobility and functionality. In the manufacturing sector, Atlas's capabilities can revolutionize operations. For instance, consider an automotive assembly line where efficiency and precision are paramount. In a demonstration, Atlas can be deployed to assist in the handling of automotive parts on the assembly line. Imagine Atlas autonomously retrieving components from a storage area, transporting them to the assembly zone, and accurately placing them in designated positions. The robot uses its advanced sensors and cameras to navigate the factory floor, avoiding obstacles and adjusting its path as needed. It can lift heavy parts, reducing the physical strain on human workers and minimizing the risk of workplace injuries. Moreover, Atlas can perform quality checks by using its cameras to inspect components for defects, ensuring that only high-quality parts are assembled into vehicles. But it's not just about efficiency, it's also about inspiration. The Atlas robot challenges us to rethink our relationship with technology. As it learns from its environment, it invites us to consider how we, too, can adapt and grow in a rapidly changing world. Boston Dynamics is keen to emphasize that this is a genuinely autonomous machine, with advanced wireless communication systems that allow it to connect to cloud platforms and local networks. This capability is crucial for several reasons. Number 1. Remote monitoring. Operators can monitor Atlas's performance and status in real time, allowing for immediate troubleshooting and adjustments. Number 2. Data sharing. The robot can share data with other systems, enhancing coordination in environments where multiple robots or machines operate. Number 3. Software updates. Wireless connectivity allows for seamless updates to Atlas's software, ensuring it always has the latest algorithms and features without requiring physical access. Number 4. Cloud integration. By leveraging cloud computing resources, Atlas can access powerful processing capabilities and vast datasets that enhance its learning and decision-making processes. The end effector of the Atlas robot is a sophisticated gripper designed for versatility and precision. The gripper has multiple joints, allowing it to perform intricate movements similar to human hands. This enables Atlas to handle a wide variety of objects, from large boxes to delicate tools. Integrated sensors in the gripper provide feedback on the pressure exerted during grasping. This capability is essential for ensuring that Atlas can pick up fragile items without causing damage. The gripper can automatically adjust its grip based on the shape and weight of the object, optimizing performance in different tasks. As Atlas takes on more responsibilities, the vision of a collaborative future becomes clearer. However, with great power comes great responsibility. We must navigate the ethical implications of such technology as we embrace this new frontier. By enhancing efficiency, improving safety, and enabling new levels of precision, Atlas exemplifies the potential of robotics to reshape the future of work. So, what do you think? Are we ready for robots like Atlas to work alongside us? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in technology and innovation.